Hello creatives, welcome once again to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again in another tutorial. And today we are going to be learning how I made this beautiful headband using the Asooke material and then the Alice band. You can see I wrapped the Alice band and I already have a video on this, so you can check my channel and I'll also leave it in the comment section. So the measurement I'll be using for my Asooke is length of 45 inches, and I'm just using a layer of Asooke with length 45 inches. Now I will go ahead to fold into the length to find the center of it. You can mark the center with a chalk. For me, I just placed a pin there to indicate the center. And after this, I'm going to go ahead to pleat from one end down to the center, and I will also repeat the same step for the other end. I will pleat it and till I get to the center. So this is the first step in creating that beautiful headband using Asooke. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me again in another tutorial. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, thank you and kindly do so. I encourage you that you watch till the end so that you follow all the steps I'm going to be showing in this video. So please kindly subscribe, and if you are finding value, please like my video. So can you see that I've pleated this part, and I'm going to stitch it using my hand needle and thread just for it to stay together. And after this, I'm also going to repeat the same thing for the other end of this. So this is how it will look after pleating the two ends. So I will still go ahead to bring down the center of this, and I will do that by pleating it also. So you watch what I will do. After pleating it, I'm also going to go ahead to stitch it so that it can stay in place even when I'm not holding it, you know. So after stitching, I'm going to be bringing, I don't need this gap that is so obvious, so I'm also going to be bringing the two ends together. So you watch what I'm doing. This is very simple headband to achieve. I believe that watching this video you understand how I made this, and you can as well replicate yours. So you watch till the end, and thank you so much for stopping. Don't forget that if you are finding value, please kindly like my video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial, and keep watching.